Alright, so meron tayong na-receive na tap to trade alert. So yan, there's 2 minutes lang para ma-approve natin yan. So punta na tayo sa apps and then click the tap to trade. Tapos makikita natin yan from FX Edge and it says buy. So ang gagawin lang natin guys, pwede nating i-edit ito, i-modify. So 0.05. Okay, and then click natin yung approve. And boom, so na-execute natin yung trade. Ang ginawa lang natin is nag-edit lang tayo, minodify lang yung lot size, and that's it. So, nakaset na lahat ng parameters niyan. Ayan, naka-approve na siya. So, magwe-wait na lang tayo guys. Tingnan natin to sa trade locker kung na-execute yung trade. No? So, eto siya guys. Ayan, check natin. Here's my demo account for tap to trade, and then exclusive only for the signals from AkashX. So, yan. Meron tayong mga winnings. I-close muna natin to guys. Ayan. So, i-close muna natin yung mga running trades na nandiyan. So, this all based sa pulse signals and tap to trade no, ni AkashX. So, ito yung ating trade guys. Ayan. Nagro-run siya. So, i-close muna natin yung mga winnings. And yan, meron na tayong dalawang natitira. So, itong isa na to is galing din yan sa tap to trade. So, ito tingnan natin yung ating buy, no? So, live na live to guys. Ayan yung nangyayari, no? Meron siyang nakaset na TP and stop loss. So, mukhang i-hit na niya agad yung ating take profit. So, may nakalagay na TP, that's take profit. So, ayan. Wait natin guys. And, ayan. So, grabe guys. Ganito lang kasimple. Magta-tap ka lang ng approve. And that's it. So, pwede mong i-edit or i-modify yung lot size. Pwede rin namang hindi na. Depende yan sa capital mo, no? So, ayan, malapit na niyang ma-hit ang take profit. Wala tayong ginawa kundi nag-click lang ng approve. Alright, so, para sa mga beginners, grabe guys. Ganun lang ang gagawin natin. Ganyan lang yung gagawin nyo, no? So, yun, na-take profit siya guys. And that's it. So, nawala na yung running na trade ng gold dito. And here is the results. It's an instant, ayan, 83.80 US dollars, guys. Can you imagine that? So, in just less than 5 minutes, kumita tayo ng ganito by just clicking the approve button. So, yan yung tap to trade features ni AkashX. Diba? So, yung babayaran natin dito na parang pinaka-tuition fee para habang nag-aaral tayo ng trading, kasi this is a trading academy, and at the same time, pwede na rin tayong kumita. Okay, by just following yung mga binabato no, na signals at saka mga tap to trade. So mga expert, mga educators yung nagbibigay ng signals na yan. And bilang isang newbie or zero knowledge sa trading, pwede ka na agad kumita, 'di ba? Habang inaaral mo siya. So napakagandang opportunity. This is the best investment. So this is how the tap to trade works. Okay? So ayan, grabe guys, ang bilis. So, hindi na niya inabot yung take profit, kaya nakalagay dito is market. Ibig sabihin, yung nag-send ng tap to trade na to, yung educators na to, si FX Edge, ay kinlose na niya kasi may access siya doon. Siya na yung nagmo-modify, siya yung bahala kung kailan niya gustong i-adjust yung stop loss, kung kailan niya gustong i-close yung trade na to. Okay, so tingnan natin ulit. Ito yung history, no? Punta lang tayo sa tap to trade, history, and kung mapapansin nyo guys, ayan, puro 1. Yan, ibig sabihin, panalo lahat ng signal. So, ito yung finalo natin na signal, guys. Okay? So, yun, grabe. That's how you do tap to trade, guys. And this is how we make money using signals and tap to trade. So, stay tuned lang kayo guys, and I'll be uploading all of the updates and progress sa trading journey natin. Alright? So, that's all for this video. I'll see you again in the next one. Happy earnings! Bye-bye!